A group of 4 young friends set out on a treasure hunt in an old castle nearby. At the entrance, they saw a message carved above the door.
Only those who understand the secrets of triangles may enter.
Among them was Hari, who knew many properties of triangles. Adi quickly suggested Hari's name. Mia and Julie agreed that Hari should lead the way. So, Hari stepped forward to face the first challenge. Number 1. There they see a right-angled triangle ABC with angle C marked 40 degrees. They had to find angle A to enter. Hari began explaining to his friends. In the given right-angled triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Other two angles less than 90 degrees. The sum of all angles is 180 degrees, therefore angle A is equal to 50 degrees. They waited for the door to open. But instead, a new question appeared.
What is the side opposite the right angle in a right triangle called?
Hari smiled and replied,
Hypotenuse.
Still the gate did not open. They waited in silence for the door to open. Suddenly, the third question appeared.
What is the relationship between the hypotenuse AC and the other two sides AB and BC of the right triangle?
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
At once, with a chiming sound, the door opened and their adventure continued. They reached gate number 2. This time, they had to find the base angles B and C of an isosceles triangle ABC, given the vertex angle A 40 degrees. Hari explained step by step. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. In any triangle, the angles opposite equal sides are also equal. We can also say, in an isosceles triangle, the two base angles are equal. So, here angle B is equal to angle C. Using the angle sum property, angle B equals angle C equals 70 degrees. They waited for the door to open, but suddenly one more question appeared. Triangle side BC was produced to form an exterior angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Given angle A equal to 40 degrees, they had to find the other interior opposite angle. Hari knew he had to solve using exterior angle property. He explained each step and got the answer. Angle B equals 70 degrees. At once, with a chiming sound, the door opened. They were happy. It took only 2 questions, and their adventure continued. They reached gate number 3. This time, they wished there would be only one question. The gate was guarded by a scalene triangle. 2 angles were given. Angle B is equal to 65 degrees, angle C is equal to 55 degrees, and they had to find the third angle. Hari did a quick mental calculation using the angle sum property. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 65 plus 55 is equal to 60 degrees. At once, with a chiming sound, the great door opened and their adventure continued. The final gate, an equilateral triangle.
What is each angle? Solve it, and the treasure is yours.
Hari quickly answers.
Each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees.
At once, with a chiming sound, the last door opened, and the treasure was theirs. The treasure hunt is over, but your math adventure has just begun. Hari and his friends showed us that knowing the properties of triangles opens every door. Now it's your turn. Learn all the properties, get ready for the grade 7 weekly test, and don't miss it. Subscribe so you'll be the first to know when the test is uploaded.